share your feedback on that.
So, I just think that it's nice, some of the tie-ups that we do, some of them are more relevant than others. We're both playing writers, so it's correct that we should be here at Crosswords. And, you know, I was talking to Sharda, who's doing our marketing, about this, and I was saying that I hope people get to see this and people understand that we're making this movie and promoting it at a place like this is not too niche. And Sharda told me that everybody reads and everybody watches TV, so I think it's something that we're quite proud of to be associating, and it's a wonderful competition that you've set up. We'd like to meet your winners, I guess. Don't we get to see them?
The winners, well, I'll have to just check that out with the team. Do we have the winners here with us? No, we don't unfortunately have the winners. But I think probably, Seth, you'd like to pick anything that probably you'd like to read from the book?
Sure.
It's a very cheeky happy endings here. Okay, so one is, my best mate was dating a guy who lived off her. She lost her job, she lost him, she got a new job, and he is now homeless. Happy ending. quite fun, huh? He was living off her. Good for her. She got a new job.
Did Seth find something interesting?
Oh, this is not.
Okay. So it says, they took 45 minutes to get my burger, but the beautiful waitress slipped me her number on the napkin. So I guess it's a happy ending.
Very happy ending.
Great.
All right, talking about happy endings, I think we can't let you guys...
Would be, if we finish promoting our movie well, go to Delhi, have a nice premiere and have a very successful first week or first day would be a very happy ending to a saga of tension, preparation and nerves before release.
Liana, what about you?
I honestly, I share the same thoughts because it's been quite crazy promoting the film, and I think the nerves are really starting to set in now. So a happy ending to this entire journey would be just people loving the movie and enjoying it as much as we've enjoyed making it. It's been a lot of fun making the film, it really has. So if they can share a little bit of that fun, I think we probably have a success in our hands.
Absolutely. I think moving on then, let's take questions, media questions, audience questions. Please raise your hand so we can pass on the mic. Anybody from the media, audience questions, please raise your hands up so we can pass on the mic to you.
No questions.
No, usually not.
I don't think there's any questions. No.
Yeah, we have one right there.
Okay.
Salman, mera सवाल, sorry.
You just call me Salman.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
Thank you.
आपकी फिल्म में आप लेखक बने, ऑथर हैं आप. So अगर आपको अपनी खुद की ज़िंदगी में कभी ऐसे थॉट्स आते हो या ऐसा मूड है कभी आप कुछ लिखें, तो किस तरह की कहानी आप लिखेंगे?
I don't know, काफ़ी अलग चीज़ें सोचता हूँ मैं, ख्याल आते हैं, मेरे पास अलग अलग छोटे मोल्सकिन डायरीज हैं, कुछ ना कुछ मैं लिखता रहता हूँ. कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि एक कहानी लिखूं या कैसी कहानी लिखूंगा, लेकिन आइडियाज़ लिखता हूँ और बाद में पढ़ता हूँ और सोचता हूँ दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग कि एक टाइम पे मैंने ऐसा सोचा था. So I like the idea of a journal and a diary and to write thoughts, but never thought of writing a story. It's a different, बहुत वक्त की ज़रूरत होती है और I think if you're working as an actor मुश्किल हो जाता है to take on such a big project like writing something.
आपने अभी एक अपने इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि आप ओमकारा जैसी फिल्म जो है उस तरह की फिल्म का वेट कर रहे हैं, इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं, उस तरह का कैरेक्टर आपको मिले करने के लिए. सो क्या इस तरह की कैरेक्टर वाली फिल्म लाइक कॉकटेल आपने की, अभी हैप्पी एंडिंग, पिछले हम शक्ल की अगर बात करें, तो क्या इस तरह के फ़नी या इस तरह के कैरेक्टर को करके आप ऊब गए हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स करना पसंद करूँगा. मतलब इट साउंड सिंपल, लेकिन एक एक्टर को एक स्क्रिप्ट पे कंसंट्रेट करना चाहिए और अच्छी कहानियों को फिल्माना चाहिए, और अगर कहानी अच्छी है तो इट्स ऑल फाइन. मैं चाहूँगा कि कुछ अलग अलग होता रहे, ये नहीं कि सिर्फ कॉमेडीज़ हो रही हैं या सिर्फ ड्रामा हो रहा है. अगर दोनों हो जाएं जो भी मूड करे, लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी होनी चाहिए, स्पेशल होनी चाहिए।
ये आपकी होम प्रोडक्शन फिल्म है, प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं आप। करीना ने इसमें कैमियो किया है, सो कुछ पैसे वैसे लिए आपने से उन्होंने इसके लिए?
नहीं, लेकिन हमने उनके लिए एक बहुत खूबसूरत घड़ी ली थी एज अ प्रेजेंट। हम नहीं चाहते कि कोई भी हमारे लिए कुछ फ्री में करे, वो भी एक आर्टिस्ट हैं, तो उनका वक्त हम बर्बाद नहीं करेंगे।
Thank you so much for your question. Can you pass the mic on?
Hello, Ileana ma'am.
Yes.
I want to.
Hi, Karan.
Hi.
Again, hello.
What type of happy ending do you want in your life?
I think the thought of a happy ending is a bit tricky because, you know, we've been talking about this for so long, and when you say ending, it seems like it's an end of something, and when you end something, it's never normally happy, is it? So I hope I never have sad moments that lead to a happy ending, but I just hope I have these amazing chapters in my life, and I hope each of them ends happily. So I hope for a nice, easygoing, happy life.
Thank you.
Hopefully that's answered your question.
And sir?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, if it has to end, it should be peaceful and painless and surrounded with love.
Like us.
Like what? I can't hear you.
Just be a little louder.
Hello,
Like
hello.
what?
Like me. And all.
Are you peaceful and painless? I don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know. I hope so. You're too young to be peaceful and painless. That's something that comes later in life.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you're peaceful and painless at your age,